Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your monthly bills and utilities? Do you wish you had more money left over at the end of each month? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will share some effective strategies for saving money on your monthly bills and utilities. By following these simple tips, you can free up some extra cash and achieve greater financial freedom. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. So, let's dive in and discover how you can start saving today. Number 1. Assess your bills. The first step to effectively reduce your monthly bills and utilities is by carefully assessing them. Take a thorough look at each bill and identify any unnecessary charges or services that you no longer require. Are you still paying for that gym membership that goes unused? Do you have multiple streaming service subscriptions when one would suffice? By cutting down on unnecessary expenses, you can instantly lower your monthly bills and save a considerable amount of money. Take the time to scrutinize each bill and examine the services or charges associated with it. Look for any additional fees, add-ons, or subscriptions that you may have forgotten about or are no longer using. Cancel any subscriptions or services that are not providing value or are redundant. For example, if you have a cable package with channels you rarely watch, consider downgrading to a more affordable plan or exploring alternative streaming options. Number 2. Negotiate with service providers. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your service providers to secure better deals. Many companies are willing to provide discounts or lower rates, particularly if you have been a loyal customer for an extended period. Reach out to your cable, internet, and phone providers and inquire politely about any available promotions or improved offers. You might be pleasantly surprised by the potential savings that can be achieved simply by asking. When contacting your service providers, be prepared to discuss your needs, usage patterns, and any competing offers you may have found from other providers. This information can give you leverage during negotiations. Remember to remain polite and friendly throughout the conversation. Even if you don't secure a discount immediately, expressing your interest in finding a more affordable option may prompt the provider to offer a better deal in the future. Number 3. Conserve energy. Energy bills often constitute a significant portion of your monthly expenses. By adopting energy-saving habits, you can make a substantial difference in reducing these costs. Start by turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use. Unplug electronics that continue to draw power even in standby mode. Replace traditional light bulbs with energy-efficient ones, such as LED bulbs. These small changes can add up over time and lead to considerable savings on your utility bills. Consider investing in smart thermostats and power strips. Smart thermostats allow you to program and regulate the temperature in your home more efficiently, optimizing energy usage. Power strips with built-in surge protectors can prevent devices from consuming power when they are turned off. By utilizing these technologies, you can further enhance your energy conservation efforts and save money in the long run. Number 4. Enhance your home's insulation. Ensuring proper insulation in your home is a highly effective approach to reducing your utility expenses. The primary purpose of insulation is to regulate the temperature inside, minimizing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By insulating key areas such as windows, doors, and the attic, you can effectively eliminate drafts and prevent heat loss. The outcome? A noticeable decrease in your energy bills will leave you pleasantly surprised. Number 5. Embrace water conservation practices. Water bills often constitute a significant portion of household expenses, particularly in regions with high water rates. To tackle this issue and save money, it's crucial to adopt water conservation practices. By being mindful of your water usage and making a few adjustments, you can achieve substantial long-term savings. Start by addressing any leaks promptly. Even seemingly minor leaks can result in significant water wastage and inflated bills if you use water meters. Installing low-flow shower heads and faucets will help reduce water consumption without compromising on functionality. These fixtures are designed to maintain water pressure while using less water per minute. Also, consider collecting rainwater to irrigate your plants, reducing the need for tap water. Small changes in your water consumption habits can make a big difference. Be conscious of your actions, such as turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth, or taking shorter showers. These seemingly insignificant adjustments, when practiced consistently, can lead to significant savings over time, while promoting sustainable water usage. Number 6. Optimize your service bundles. Service providers often offer attractive bundle deals for cable, internet, and phone services. Taking advantage of these bundles not only simplifies your billing process, but also saves you money in the long run. To find the most cost-effective solution that suits your needs, it's important to compare different providers and their bundle options. Explore the available bundle packages from various service providers and carefully evaluate their offerings. Consider factors such as the services included, internet speeds, channel selections, and customer support. Determine which bundle provides the most value for your requirements and budget. By bundling your services, you can benefit from discounted rates and promotional offers. Number 7. Cutting the cord. Cable bills can be a major drain on your monthly budget, but there's a solution that can help you save money. Cutting the cord. With the increasing popularity of streaming services, many people are opting to ditch cable and switch to streaming platforms instead. Take a closer look at your viewing habits and consider subscribing to streaming services that offer the channels and shows you love. By eliminating your cable bill, you'll experience a significant reduction in your monthly expenses, giving you more financial freedom. Cutting the cord not only saves you money, but also offers convenience. With streaming, you have the freedom to watch your favorite content anytime, anywhere, using various devices such as smartphones, tablets, or smart TVs. Say goodbye to cable contracts, installation fees, and equipment rentals. Embrace the streaming revolution and start enjoying the benefits of cutting the cord today. Number 8. Automating your payments. Late payment fees can quickly eat into your budget, causing unnecessary financial strain. Fortunately, there's a simple and effective way to avoid these charges by automating your bill payments. By setting up automatic payments for your bills, you can ensure they are paid on time, every time, without the hassle of manual transactions. Automating your payments offers one major advantage. It saves you from the stress of remembering due dates and manually paying each bill. With automatic payments, you can set up recurring transfers from your bank account or credit card, ensuring that your bills are taken care of without any effort on your part. This reduces the chances of missed payments and subsequent fees. Final thoughts. Saving money on your monthly bills and utilities is entirely possible with the right strategies in place. By assessing your bills, negotiating with service providers, conserving energy, and embracing water conservation, you can significantly reduce your expenses. Additionally, insulating your home, bundling your services, cutting the cord, and automating your payments can contribute to long-term savings. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So, start implementing these strategies today, and enjoy the financial freedom that comes with lower monthly bills. Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.